You are welcome to Living Agriculture, the source of information, the source of knowledge, the source of technical services and skills. This is the project of AGOAT, or the enterprise. So what we need to present to you is the breeds, the common diseases, the feeding, and the treatment. As you are watching, all what you are seeing here is treated using the herbal medicine we make. The broad objective of our presenting this is to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and technical advices in managing such an enterprise. We are feeding them locally and we are treating them using our plant medicine known as the herbal medicine, because the content behind is to see that the people who are using goat's meat for consumption are free from cancer, because the cause of cancer is eating what is being treated by the chemical medicine. The diseases we have in goats or in livestock, we have anthrax. The sign and symptom for anthrax is the sneezing of blood. It can be treated, and it is treatable, by the way. The vaccine for treating that chemically is there, but we discovered ours from plants. There is that we call the worms, enjoka. When we talk of the worms, honestly, what I want you to know, you have to take a note. How can you identify that your animals have worms? One, they lose weight. Two, the skin, it is ramshackled. Coughing is the broad sign for worms. We have the coccidiosis, still in animals is there. That diarrhea, it can be prevented. Then we have that one of the pox, goat pox. It can be treated, it can be prevented. Then we have brucella. Brucella, this is the disease which leads to the animals aborting or delivering dead goats or younger ones or calves. Can be treated, can be prevented. You see, as they are here, they are healthy. But how can you know that they are healthy? You just look at the skin itself, how it looks, how it does. Feeding, that trough you are watching here, it is for avoiding them with water. And in that water, what we do, we put our herbal medicine. One, for vaccinating them or controlling the diseases. Two, in case of those which may fall sick, can be treated. I remind you, you are on Living Agriculture, the source of information, the source of technical advice, the source of skill, the source which you need to fight poverty at your household or your homes. You are with Living Agriculture, and me, Sir Luigare. What you heard that, it is a sign of flu. The sign of flu, you can hear them. The sign of worms, you hear them coughing. So, what we need, you who is watching, by the way, excuse me, you have been asking, we saw the animals like a piggery, we saw the cows, we saw the chicken, the turkeys, why not the goats? Now here we are. Don't look behind and say, "Anze sisobola kulunda. I must be having a land, a big land." No. What you have to do, get a piece of land, start constructing in the way you manage. Feed them. If you feed them the way you can manage, honestly speaking, we shall fight poverty. In that, fighting poverty, it is between me and you who is watching. Because to get one here, you must be having not less than 300,000. It is the starting point, 300,000. Don't ask me of what size. The smallest, the least price here, it is 300,000 and above. Because even you have that one of 800,000. Assuming you have 10. Sisuubira nti omuntu asobola okuba omwavu. It is you who desire to be poor or your family to be in poverty. Honestly, feeding goats, it is easy. Caring them, it is easy. What you need is to get the skill in that you can identify which one is sick and what symptom are you viewing or experiencing. Because to know the diseases, it lies with the signs and symptoms. That's when you know that this symptom, it is either anthrax, it is worms, it is brucella, it is black quarter, it is. So I need you who is viewing, because I respect you and I thank you for watching Living Agriculture. Mbebaza, I thank you very much. Those one who are in Israel, in Canada, in Dubai, in Malaysia, in Saudi Arabia, and all across the world, and even in Turkey. I thank my brother Farouk, who is in Turkey. By the way, the viewers, when we talk of importing eggs for broilers, our contact person in Turkey is called Farouk. Is the one who we work with to import these eggs of Cob 500. So whoever, if you are in need of this goat, any type here, honestly, it is just a call away. Lwakubanti atabamu munyiza. I don't regret to say this. Working with Isa, you need to be patient. You need to be tolerant. At times, things fail the way we have planned too. So, we are the farm here. For God's sake. Now, who is viewing? Go call you in our maker. You have been asking, why are you not making the English version? Honestly, that's where we are. How? In getting what you need. So, to add on that, we are going to see the signs and symptoms of the diseases, how we treat them, how can it be done. Because our broad objective is to empower you to stand on your feet. Because poverty does not discriminate the tribe, does not discriminate the religion, does not discriminate the political party affiliation, neither where you belong in terms of locality. It is me and you. Our role is to see that we are all well. We have an enterprise at home, what we call household income. You can be in GOAT's project. You can be in poultry project. You can be in piggery project. Even now, you can go into dairy project. When I talk of dairy, this comes to cows, but make sure you get the knowledge, you get the information, the skill and the technical services at no cost. Lwakuba I normally ask you, if you want me to visit your farm, make sure you have transport. Gwatalina transport, please don't call me. And some people complain and you call my manager. Yes sir, tumukubire simu is not picking. If when you call and we don't pick, just send a text message. We shall respond to your message sent. I welcome you for liking the channel. Once you like it, subscribe. Once you subscribe, share it. Kyoyagala buli kimu kijja kubeera in your 5 fingers. I'm Luigare Bakibinga, your presenter, your trainer. I really appreciate all the comments and the pleasure you show me for what we are presenting. I request you one thing. We are doing this voluntarily. We are not sponsored by government, neither by any organization or any agency or any country. And whoever is viewing, when you can sponsor such a program, we are ready to train the community towards fighting poverty through agriculture. When I talk of agriculture, it covers crops production, it covers poultry, the types of poultry breeds. We cover livestock, where it is. We have the cows, we have the goats as you are viewing, we have the sheep, and the piggery section. We cover all that because what we are doing for God's sake. One time, one day, we shall be asked on earth, what did we do when you had the capacity of assisting those who need your assistance? By the way, this is Living Agriculture with your Luigare Bakibinga. You normally ask, where are we located? Let me tell you this. We are located in the new tax park, Namirembe Road, opposite Ham Building, Block A. The room number is 917, second floor. So it is a matter of reaching there. When you are inside the park, you look for Pastor Tom's stage, Mutundwe. Look up there. Our offices has blue curtains. When you come to the office there, the consultation is totally free of charge. We don't charge people. Unless when you decide and say, Aisa kamuweyo mtwala anywemu amazi. But our sensitization or training at the office is totally free of charge because we respect you for choosing of all channels and you go into Living Agriculture. So bino tubikola olw'okwagala okuyamba abantu. Gwatulaba. One time, one day, njatuka obagamba nti I need some assistance. And if it comes to fundraising, I know you will fundraise for expanding our programs. And these programs are going to be rotating across the country from district to district, from region to region, from sub-county to sub-county. Because our mandate is empowering you to stand on your feet. Zino mbuzi, these are in our daily lives. Everyone needs one another. And as I said it before, our moving around And presenting such videos is for you to get the knowledge, to get the experience, to get the skill. When we talk of the skills, one, you will know the common diseases. Two, you will know the signs and symptoms. Three, you will know how to treat them. Four, you will know how to feed them. Lastly, managing them. Because the water you see here, it is not for decoration. It is for them to drink. That's where we put our medicine if we are controlling and treating them. So the viewers, I call upon whoever is viewing, like it, subscribe, and share. Because once you share it, the information you have got, it will be shared to other people. We are non-government sponsored people. Living agriculture is not sponsored by any person. But due to the calling we have, is that we share what we learned. We share what we do. You share what we know. Some people say that goats don't drink water. Ekyo kya bulimba. Every goat or every animal takes water. That's why you need to put water there 24/7. Add there some little medicine for controlling the diseases. That one you see, it ranges from 250 to 350, that one. Kati gwe nongamba nti oli mwavu. No. In this country of ours, there is no one who was born to be poor. Not there. Zine, whatever you see, look at them. Can you tell me that you can fail to manage these ones? See where they are. But the good thing is, it is as clean as it is needed to be. Now, let's look at this small one here. That disease you see, that symptom you see, that's coccidiosis. It is a sign of coccidiosis, that one, which is going there. Once you see that it's dropping, it remains somewhere, then the best alternative, treat it, give it orally. Just 3 times. When I talk of 3 times for 3 days, it will be cured. Goat enterprise, it is a manageable enterprise because it does not require too much work. No, it doesn't. Just get the space, the kraal, where you keep them. When they come back, put water there, let them drink. If it comes to treatment, treat them. Tujja kumalako. Viewers, you are watching Living Agriculture with me, Yesa Luigare Bakibinga, who deserted from medical section because people were storming the health unit, hoping that they were sick. By the hidden agenda behind, I discovered that they were just becoming sick because of poverty. That's where I come to request humbly to the government to look for us such that we can deliver the message, support the government in terms of fighting poverty at households. We need to fight poverty at households. But our biggest challenge is that if it comes to training farmers, we charge them. And the reason why we charge them, one, we need to transport ourselves. Even the trainers have to get some allowance. And the venue we train them is being hired. And we cannot afford to do that because this is a voluntary work. Any organization which is ready to support our activities, please, I kindly request you to look for us such that we help the community in fighting poverty. And even if you are an individual, if you can do that, if it is a company, we have several companies. We have Airtel, we have MTN, we have Amanda, we have Nile Breweries, we have Rosie Farm, we have Bell, we have very many companies which can support us in transforming the community's lives. It is funny that most of these companies, they sponsor musicians, and you hear somebody buying a table or booking 5 tables of 4M each. What if you sponsor us to train farmers in their localities other than charging them for the workshop? Because once you do that, all the community will be doing the work which is supposed to be done. What we need is empowering the community in managing their enterprises. That's all. If somebody gets the knowledge of identifying the diseases in animals, in poultry, in crops, and they learn how to treat them, our role will be executed. This is living agriculture. What we are here, we are in the AGOAT enterprise. What you need, get the knowledge, get the skill, know the signs and symptoms of the diseases, how to treat them, how are they transmitted. Once you get that, honestly speaking, poverty in Uganda and in the world will be executed. We are here to empower whoever is viewing the knowledge and the skill and the technical advice. What you do, it is just a call away. I remind you, consultation is totally free of charge. What we charge you is just your airtime. You call, then we respond. If you call and we don't pick, don't insult us. Just send a text message. We shall respond to that. Because we are entitled to help the farmers who need our assistance. Luigare are my names. And behind the camera is Brian Mutebi, who is ready to serve the country and the world. In that, once you are free from poverty, I think even God will reward us. I thank you very much. We have very many friends, we have very many relatives. We have Medina in USA, we have Costas in Denmark, we have Madame in Israel, we have Farouk, you are in Turkey, we have Bushra, you are in Saudi Arabia, we have Faizu, you are in Dubai, Ali, we have Jose, you are in Canada, and then Hussein, you are in Germany. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for your support. Madina, so compareze yo ku sente nzungu. Gwe bw'oba wasindise ng'olowooza nti serious, so compareze yo ku sente nzungu. Whoever is there, we need the nzungu money. The dollars, the dirham, the kwacha. Whoever is watching here, we thank you very much. Very many people just abroad. Abu Dhabi, France, Germany, Canada, USA. Thank you very much. This is Luigare Bachibinga, a deserted medical officer to a veterinary officer.